Hi guys, what's going on? In this tutorial we're going to look at installing a graphics card in the new Alienware amplifier for laptop. In this case we're going to install the EVGA GTX 970 Superclocked 2.0 that I received today along with the amplifier. So let's start by opening the case. You use this side to open the top. You have to use some force to get it open. So now it's open, it looks like this. You have your PCU and your other cables. So let's get the card. Here is the bad boy, the GTX 970. So let's put it in. So that's done. The connectors are important. You're gonna put the two 6-pin cables from the amplifier and plug them into the card. So then you secure the card by putting the screws back in the amplifier. And finally you close the case. But pay attention that the cables are in a safe place. So that's done. It wasn't that difficult. So I hope I helped you with this tutorial. More videos of the amplifier with this gameplay footage are coming soon. Please like, comment and subscribe below. See you next time.